Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is public expenditure classification and causes of growth of public expenditure. Introduction. Public expenditure refers to the expenditure incurred by the government for providing public goods and services and for promoting economic and social welfare. The government spends money on administration, defense, education, healthcare, transport, infrastructure, agriculture, and development programs. In India, public expenditure is incurred by the central government, state governments, and local authorities for economic development and welfare of the people. Public expenditure refers to the spending by central, state, and local governments to satisfy collective social wants, provide public goods, and drive economic growth. Classification of public expenditure, developmental and non-developmental expenditure. Developmental expenditure refers to government spending on activities that promote economic and social development of the country. It includes expenditure on sectors such as education, healthcare, agriculture, transport, irrigation, rural development, and infrastructure. This type of expenditure helps increase production, employment opportunities, and national income. It also improves the standard of living and welfare of the people. Developmental expenditure plays an important role in achieving long-term economic growth and balanced development. B. Non-developmental expenditure. Non-developmental expenditure refers to government spending on administration, maintenance, and essential services that do not directly contribute to production or economic development. It includes expenditure on defense, police administration, interest payments, pensions, and maintenance of government machinery. Although it does not create productive assets, it is necessary for maintaining law and order, national security, and smooth functioning of the government. This expenditure ensures administrative stability and effective governance in the country. Revenue and capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure refers to expenditure incurred by the government for day-to-day administration and normal functioning of government departments. It includes expenses such as salaries, subsidies, interest payments, pensions, and maintenance expenses. This expenditure is recurring in nature and is incurred regularly every year. Revenue expenditure does not create permanent assets or increase the productive capacity of the economy. It is necessary for the smooth functioning of government activities and public services. B. Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure refers to expenditure incurred by the government for the creation of assets and infrastructure. It includes spending on construction of roads, railways, dams, airports, bridges, and other development projects. This expenditure creates long-term assets and increases the productive capacity of the economy. Capital expenditure promotes economic growth, industrial development, and employment generation. It is developmental in nature and supports long-term national progress. Plan and non-plan expenditure. Plan expenditure refers to government expenditure on planned development programs under 5-year plans. It includes expenditure on sectors such as irrigation, agriculture, rural development, education, and infrastructure projects. The main objective of plan expenditure is to promote economic and social development. It helps increase production, employment, and public welfare. This expenditure is developmental and growth-oriented in nature. B. Non-plan expenditure. Non-plan expenditure refers to expenditure incurred on routine administrative and government functions. It includes expenditure on defense, interest payments, pensions, police administration, and maintenance of government departments. This expenditure is necessary for maintaining law and order, national security, and smooth administration. Although it does not directly create productive assets, it is essential for effective functioning of the government. Causes of growth of public expenditure. Population growth. A larger population requires expanded government investments in law and order, civic amenities, education, and public health care. Infrastructure development. To sustain economic progress, governments must spend heavily on transport, roads, railways, airports, energy, and communication networks. Urbanization. Rapid urban migration raises citizen dependency on the state for basic requirements like drinking water, sanitation, and housing. Defense and security. The continuous modernization of military equipment and the maintenance of armed forces require colossal public budgets to secure national borders. Social welfare and poverty alleviation. The rise of the modern welfare state means governments now spend substantially on social safety nets, subsidies, and poverty alleviation programs to improve living standards. Inflation. Rising price levels mean governments must spend more money just to maintain the same level of public services and goods procurement as in previous years. Rising debt and interest payments. The accumulation of public debt over time forces governments to allocate a large portion of their budget strictly toward interest payments. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.